Very good afternoon, ma'am. Could you please tell us how about the award that you have received today?
Okay, a very good afternoon to you. Yeah, I received School of Excellence Award. So I am very grateful to Brainfeed, and I can't express my happiness. I don't have words. I'm so happy for this award.
Ma'am, can you please tell us about the basic one quality, one thing that does not change in education?
Things चेंज होना नहीं चाहिए, जबकि अभी चेंज हो रहा है. So that is the main part. Last, not the least, I would like to tell you one thing. We are not doing different thing. We are doing things differently. Thank you.
Thank you.